Good afternoon, Vijayalaxmi.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, myself Meenu. I am from Quality Department. I just want to take a feedback from your side. First of all, congratulations, Vijayalaxmi.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. So just give a small introduction about yourself.
Myself, Vijayalaxmi. I am from Raichur. I did my graduation in Government Engineering College, Raichur. I did my course in IDM plus being CMTI.
Okay. So how do you come to know regarding CMTI?
Friends reference, ma'am.
Friends reference. Okay. So you have done interior plus BIM, right? So
Yes.
what are the things you have learned and how the course was interesting to you?
Good, ma'am. I learned about softwares like Autocad, SketchUp, rendering softwares like Enscape and Revit, ma'am.
Okay. You went for site visits, right? So how was this? How many site visits you went and how interesting it was to you?
Home Lane, Design Cafe, Pepper Fry, IKEA.
Okay.
These are good, ma'am.
Okay. You like the site visit?
Like
Yeah. So how was a CMTI trainers? So you was very comfortable regarding when while
they are
you're teaching or
comfortable and they are guiding me.
so how did you crack your interview? You can just tell few points. So upcoming students, it will be very helpful.
They are giving a assignment for cut list and for designs, ma'am. They are asked some questions about interior dimensions, cut list.
So you was very comfortable with the CMTI staff, their coordination. How did they treat you?
Yes, ma'am. I am comfortable with CMT.
Okay, the coordination, other timings, everything was fine.
Ah, everything is fine, ma'am.
Yeah. So you used your CMTI app, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So how comfortable the CMTI app while using it was user friendly?
Ah, yes, ma'am. It is user friendly. When I have doubt in AutoCAD session, SketchUp session, it is useful, ma'am.
Okay. For using it was easy to use.
Ah, yes, ma'am.
Okay, you like the app then.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much for the wonderful feedback. All the best for your future.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Vijayalakshmi. Thank you so much.